Welcome back, guys. My name is Rebecca, never Becky, and I was inspired by Easter, and if we're gonna be quarantined still during Easter, so I decided to jump on and see if I can make this look in case we don't have it, or if we do, hey, here's a look for Easter. I am enjoying this look. I did use Maybelline for my lips, you guys. I just bought it, so I'm actually really excited to show you guys how I create this look. I hope to my eyes first. I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill palette again, but because this is her Volt palette, I'm giving myself a total different look with these colors. I'm going to be using majority of these colors. I'm probably going to reach for other colors out of my Dare to Create palette. Yeah, only because I think I want one particular color. I don't know what color this is, so I do apologize. But if you guys have this palette, you know what I'm talking about. I want to use this color right here as well in this tutorial. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. How do you guys feel about my new background? I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it. Let me know how you guys feel about it. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get started again on my eye first. I know what look I want to aim for. I'm curious to see how it's gonna turn out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with Mystique. This is just gonna give me a very nice, you know, starter point. So that's what I'm gonna do here. I'm just gonna nicely even out this color. Blending, 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 guys. I wanted to actually come back on here and just tell you guys, like, you know, with this quarantine, I'm actually kind of feeling the quarantine vibes that I'm getting for all these creators right now. All this like house parties going live. I love what's happening with all the creators. I appreciate you guys entertaining us. You guys are like really keeping my day going. I know for me at least, I'm having fun watching everyone just kind of come out their shells and just be so creative right now. I'm loving that vibe. You guys let me know, like, you guys enjoying all these lives that are happening. I think a lot of people are taking advantage of it, and I love that they are, because I'm able to see, you know, people create right now, and I love that. So again, guys, I'm just taking Mystique and I'm applying it to my eye here. And I'm just gonna be blending Mystique out like so. Okay guys, I'm just gonna recap with you guys just so I make sure I didn't lose you guys, that I'm using my Bling Boss by Jaclyn Hill, and I'm using my Dare to Create. Those are the colors right now that are on my eyes. I am gonna go right now and use concealer over my eyes to really bring out this look. So that's what I'm doing now. Let me put some of these tools out of my hands because I'm grabbing everything. And I'm just gonna take it and I'm going to reapply some concealer right here, because this is where I want my my eyeshadows to really pop, is right in here. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm going to now take my concealer brush from Real Technique, and I am going to distribute out this concealer, as you guys can see, on my eyes, and place it in a place where I want my eyeshadow to really pop. So that's all that I'm doing, is that I'm taking concealer and I'm applying it to my eyes in the area that I want my eyeshadows to pop. Your lines don't have to be perfect, but if they're not, understand that wherever you put your concealer, that's ultimately where your foundation's gonna wind up. So be mindful of these strokes. That's why I'm taking my time, because you don't want to do too much and can't take it back. And if you guys are asking me why did I change my method from putting on foundation first, or if you're wondering why I'm not putting on foundation first, I just want to, I don't know, be a little more creative and versatile as far as like, you know, how everyone else does it. So everyone has their own ways. It's not that I'm changing mine. I'm just, I don't know, just trying something new, I guess. I don't normally do it this way, but yeah, try something new. It won't hurt. I've already sprayed my brush and I'm just gonna apply it in the middle. Here, I'm not sure if I'm gonna take it all the way up, but I'm going to definitely apply it in here. Oh my God, guys, this color is so amazing. I have not used this palette. I haven't had any reasons to until now. Again, I'm just dampening my brush for the other eye. And we're gonna just repeat this step over here. And again, you guys, this color is so amazing. It's just like, what? That's how I feel. It's just so beautiful. Bling bling is my girl. I'm gonna go back in and we're gonna finish this look out. Like so. And I don't do a lot. When I want my color to show, I don't blend. I don't, again, blend. I only pat. And I'm gonna do that same motion over here. I wanna bring up my glitter since I already did it to this eye. And I don't know if you guys, you know, kind of understand the rule of thumb when it comes to makeup. There is no true mistakes. Whatever you accidentally did on one eye, just do it to the same other eye. And that's just what my rule of thumb is. Whatever you already did, do it again to the other eye. Simple, done. You're in and out and you don't feel like, oh, I have to start over. Nope, because I used to be that girl that would be like, I messed it up, and I have a little OCD in me, so I definitely will start something over if I don't feel like it's perfect. I try to relax now a little bit when it comes to not having everything as seamless, but you know, I try to keep it kind of perfect. But I'm just blending this color out using the back of this brush kind of, just because it's a good brush. It's blending everything from the tip, from where I want it, all the way down. And that's the look. So I'm gonna go ahead now and get started with my foundation. I did moisturize with my First Aid Beauty, guys. I love this. When I tell you guys, I genuinely love this moisturizer. I am using it every day when I wake up, before sleep, you know, before I go to sleep, all that. I'm loving the foundation. I already used my e.l.f. primer, guys, so I'm not gonna add any more, not even for the sake of this video. So I've already done that. I'm gonna go in with my NARS and I'm going to start distributing out the foundation. So that's what I'm doing. And you guys, in case you guys don't do this or you haven't really thought to do it every time, but make sure that you guys are like completely shaking your bottles before you apply your foundation. It really does make a difference. If you can help it, try to shake your bottles really well before applying your makeup every time, because depending on how often you wear your makeup, it's overall just sitting there and it's kind of breaking itself apart a little bit, like it's separating in that bottle. So just make sure that you guys are taking your time and doing that. I don't know why I just blended that in. It was a motion. I was already in motion. It just happened. We're just gonna deal with that. I'm gonna go up in here and just make a little T there. And that's what she's gonna do. take my, like I use this for my powder. I don't know what brush. This is a contouring brush. So I use it for my setting powder just because how it easily picks up my product. I'm gonna take off a little of the excess and I'm going to just make sure I'm setting the face. And I'm gonna do the same thing over here just to set it. And then I'm gonna take my Morphe brush, my other Morphe brush, and I'm going to now blend out the powder on my face. And the reason why I'm doing it like this, guys, is because I want to quickly get this off so it doesn't set too much and it takes the color away from the concealer, because that's never the goal. So I'm gonna go in with, again, a little bit of banana setting powder, and I'm gonna place that even on my nose here, guys. Right there on the nose. Let's get a little bit of that excess off right there. Okay guys, so what I'm doing now is adding my falsies. I'm just molding them because I did let them sit for a little bit. I let them sit for a little bit so I can get a little tacky. And what I'm doing now is merging it into my actual lashes. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm pinching it so it can merge, be in unison. Be very careful, guys, when you're doing this, at least this part. I would definitely suggest holding it for a little bit. Make sure the ends are good. I'm getting a little lifting, so it's taking me a while. I'm just holding it. And I'm letting, and it will, what you guys are seeing right now, it's a little white, but it will go away. It's invisible. It starts off white, but it won't be white for long. So I'm gonna, again, merge it. So right now what I'm doing is I'm getting as close as possible to my eye, and I'm pinching the lashes. That's what I'm doing. I'm pinching the lashes and my actual lashes together so they can just stay. I'm going to take my tweezers and I'm going to place my lashes literally right in the middle of my eye. I like to look down or kind of like straight forward when I'm doing it, so I have control over where they're going. Spray my face now, and I'm going to now add my Too Faced, which is one of my favorite highlighters, to my face as soon as I find my brush. Sorry guys. I'm gonna add this here to the sides of my cheeks. It is such a beautiful, it's like multicolored. I don't know if you guys are getting that, but it's definitely multicolored, and I love that. I love this about, and it's more of a, it's more of a like diamond, and it's not, I don't want to say it's diamonds. That's not correct. It's just what it's called. It's just, they give you more glitter. It's bigger glitters. It's really beautiful, guys. You definitely should pick this up. I love this on dark-skinned women. We look just so flawless. I love gold, but I feel like gold is very common for a highlighter to be. This one definitely just kind of takes you away from the typical look. It really vamps it up. So I'm just gonna marinate this into my cheeks here so it can go well with my bronzer. I'm gonna add a little bit to the nose. And then again, I'm gonna just, as you guys can see, I'm just fanning out what's already there. I'm not adding any more. The work here is done. I'm going to now move on to my lips. I'm using my Very Berry on my lips today. I have a purple shade that I want to show you guys that I've gotten recently. So that's what I'm doing right now. Again, I think I've told you guys this is a terrible pencil, so it takes me a few strokes. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward through this. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I went ahead and added a little shimmer to my collarbone. I did use my Too Faced from the Diamond Collection. I went ahead and used Too Faced on here, as well as I used it on for my highlight on my cheeks as well. But this is the look, guys. I was inspired by Easter. I was like, are we gonna get it? So I may have prematurely made this look. But either way, I'm enjoying this look, and I just really wish I had somewhere to go and show it off, but I don't. I still had fun with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys for my 218 subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. I'm so humbled to have you guys watching me and staying tuned. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.